Charles M. Schulz Peanuts is a comic strip loved the world over, and Japan is no exception. While everyone here knows the stories of good old Charlie Brown, his loyal beagle dog Snoopy is the real star. So much so that the world's very first Snoopy Museum, originally located in Roppongi, has reopened bigger and better, and it's an absolute must if you consider yourself a Peanuts fan. The new Snoopy Museum has moved to the edge of Tokyo in Machida, at Minami Machida Granbury Park Station. It's about 34 minutes from Shibuya, on the Tokyu Den-En-Toshi Line. Granbury Park is a large shopping center with a lot to see and do. It's real easy to get distracted while on your way to the museum, but just follow the Snoopies and you should find your way. Admission into the museum is 2,000 yen for adults, and 600 yen for children 4 years or older. However, we strongly recommend that you purchase advance tickets through E+ on the museum's official website. It saves you 200 yen and guarantees you entry. The museum is popular and can get really crowded, especially on weekends and holidays. The Stimpy Museum is a contemporary 3-floor building. In the Charles Schulz room, you hear from the man himself through rare recordings and interviews as he details the creation process, his inspirations, and connections with the characters. Schulz ingrained themes into Peanuts such as faith, race, and existentialism, and it's a real treat to see the amount of love and care that went into something that many of us grew up with and learned from. And of course there's Snoopy. Probably the museum's main attraction is the Snoopy Room, which features several large statues of the character in various poses that you can imitate and photograph. And while that isn't all to see, we don't want to give away too much. We want you to check it out for yourself. As to be expected, there is a gift shop, but don't expect to find too much cheapo swag here besides postcards and stationery. Lastly, if you're looking to top off your day at the Snoopy Museum, then you'll want to stop by the official Peanuts Cafe next door. Normally, themed cafes and restaurants serve average dishes at best, just with jacked up prices and shaped like Mickey Mouse or something. But the Peanuts Cafe is surprisingly really good. It's a bit pricey, but you could do a lot worse. Hey, if you like what you just watched, subscribe to our channel for more videos like them. And for more on museums in Tokyo, visit TokyoCheapo.com.